DIY Dad here today from Heartland, America with another product. We're featuring the Bell & Howell Bionic Floodlight. This features a solar panel, so it doesn't need batteries, which is great. No wiring, you don't have to do wiring or either. And it has an adjustable setting right here, so you can adjust it to get your optimum sunlight for charging the solar panel. It also has a motion detector on it, so it's great for at night in case if somebody's around for security around your area. It features 3 swivel panels for easy directions and focusing the beams of light. It has all-weather construction, so you don't have to worry about rain or wind. This has very easy mounting system. There's a little clip right down here. Pull the clip, it comes off. Take this plate here, put it on the wall, mark it. You can drill a couple of holes with the titanium drill bits that we sell. And then you can mount it on there, and it just slides on there. It's mounted. You can adjust it, twist it, so you can focus the light to wherever you want. You can also test to where the light is going just by the on button. There's an on button there. This is a product that's also seen on TV, so you know it's got to be good if it's a Bell & Howell product. You can get this at heartlandamerica.com, SKU number 66572.